What's up guys, today I'm gonna show you how to properly wash your motorcycle, how to dry it out, and how to take care of your chain after you wash and after you're done washing your motorcycle. Let's go and do this step by step. First, I got this from Chemical Guys. I'm gonna put this solution for the tires. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Then we pump it to make it foamy. Then I'm gonna spray it. You can spray it on the wheels as well. Since it's on a stand, you can turn your tire, or wheel as well. I'm gonna do the same thing for the front. So, since it's not too hot today, I'm gonna leave this on for a little bit. Then I'm gonna take care of the body. Then for the rest of the body, I'm gonna use this product, Citrus from Chemical Guys. I'm gonna do a general hand wash, go through everything as much as I can. And the seat and most of these electronics, and majority of them are like waterproof, but still it doesn't mean you have to hose it down with a pressure wash, because it still can damage your motorcycle. And this motorcycle has a very low mileage. I would say it's like 60 miles on it, so it doesn't need a lot of like detailing, but I'm still gonna show it to you guys. The washing part is done. Now I'm gonna use my blower to try to get rid of the waters as much as I can before I use a rag and dry it out completely. This is gonna help you to go through all those little small holes to get the water out. And if you're gonna go for more details, like if your bike been like through dirt and stuff, you still can get one of these brushes and go through more details more thoroughly. Again, these tires are super clean, but again, if you want to get more like detailed and more clean, you're gonna get one of these brushes. Make sure it doesn't touch your wheel. It might scratch us. Might. Mine has a ceramic coat on it, but it's still. Now let's take care of the back. It's gonna be free from any grease or anything that whatever we're driving in. Okay, now since we're done with the air blower, now we're gonna go with the rack. Make sure it's nicely dry. Now that it's almost, I would say like 90% dry, we're gonna, again, it's your preference, but I'd rather to use the WD-40. We're gonna slowly spray it over here on a chain, slowly. We're not gonna push it too hard, so it's gonna mess up everything. That should be enough. So it's not gonna damage your wheels, it's not gonna mess up anything else because you just wash your motorcycle. This should be enough. And again, it's up to you if you want to do it. Always use this shining stuff called vinyl rubber plastic from Chemical Guys again. And you're gonna put it on your tires. It's gonna make it look shiny and look super clean. One of the things that's gonna make your motorcycle dry faster, make sure in the end, turn it down, let it alone for a little bit so it dries out any water that it's been around your engine and transmission.